Welcome back. Myself, Mrs. Felina Gonsalves, teacher of Shet Vidya Mandir, English High School, Maharashtra, Vasai. Today, we are going to learn Chapter 25 of Environmental Study Part 1 for Standard 5th. The topic is Community Health and Hygiene. What is community health? Community health is a medical specialty that focuses on the physical and mental well-being of the people in a specific geographical region. Nutritious food, personal hygiene, exercise and pursuit of hobbies leads to excellent health and good personal development. Just as we take care of our own health, we must take effort to assure good health for all. Everyone in a society should be able to live the kind of tension-free and happy life that we wish for ourselves. Good community health and hygiene can be achieved through habit of cleanliness and good health on the part of all individuals in a community. Threaten to community health. It's pollution. Scholar is a state of being extremely dirty. Epidemic of infectious disease, addiction, insect-borne disease are all threats to community health. To nurture community health is to protect the general public from such diseases and to make a happy and healthy life possible for all. Importance of community health. The people of a country are the most important factor in a country's progress and development. Their health can be protected if they have a clean environment, nutritious food, safe drinking water, and good medical facility. Mass media are used under community welfare program to educate people about issues such as taking care of drinking water and food. People are urged in every possible way to keep their surroundings clean. It is a legal offense to spit in public places. The aim of this ban is to prevent the spread of diseases. Threats to community health are as follows: carelessness regarding hygiene, contaminated water, malnutrition, pollution, ignorance and blind faith, and addiction. Wholesome living. The word wholesome means whole, sound, having perfect health. Wholesome living is about living for more than yourself. It is living a full life in service to others and in the pursuit of personal growth. If we take care of our health, it is possible for us to lead a wholesome life, keeping ourselves happy and taking an interest in things, avoiding feeling of hatred and envy, and doing what is necessary to maintain physical health help us to achieve this end. If people of a society live a healthy and wholesome life, social tension also decreases and feeling of friendship can be nurtured. Tobacco consumption. Names of tobacco products such as gutka, cigarette, bidi, mashari, mawa, pan masala, etc. are often heard. We also see many people consuming tobacco in different ways. All these are harmful for our health. At first, a person may chew tobacco gradually at someone urging, but this may lead to addiction. The person becomes dependent on tobacco and cannot give up the habit. When people develop this habit, they become restless if they do not get tobacco. They are not able to pay attention to anything else. They have to have tobacco in the mouth all the time. When the habit reaches the stage, it is called an addiction. People addicted to tobacco spit here and there all the time and make their surrounding dirty. Let's know the effect of tobacco. Ulcer in the mouth. The ulcer developed into bigger wound. The person may develop tumor. A lot of time and money has to be spent on treatment. If the wound do not heal, the person has serious problem. This can eventually lead to cancer. Tobacco entering digestive organ leads to complaints related to them. The concealed presence of tobacco in digestive organ can cause cancer of any of those organs. A person who develops cancer in this way has to take very painful treatment. Even after that, one cannot be sure that cancer will be cured. Alcoholism. Drinking alcohol also had adverse effect on the body. Addiction to alcohol is called alcoholism. Alcoholism, now known as alcohol use disorder, is a condition in which a person has desire or physical need to consume alcohol even though it has a negative impact on their life. Alcohol makes a person drowsy and confused. One loses control over one's action. Alcoholism causes a disease like liver, intestine, and urinary bladder. A person with alcohol does not know when and how to stop drinking. They spend a lot of time thinking about alcohol and they cannot control how much they consume. Addiction, tobacco or alcohol. Addiction, tobacco or alcohol are both very bad habits. It is best to stay away from these vices. Never be negligent about health. The condition of the addict becomes pathetic and the addict family too has to suffer with them. There is no telling how much money will be spent for treatment. Besides, everyone is put to great trouble and a lot of time and effort are wasted. The family get deprived of health and happiness and is ruined. We must be aware that an addict destroys the entire family. Chewing tobacco, smoking cigarette or bidis, taking snuff, rubbing mashari on the teeth, smoking tobacco, truer, chillum, hookah, cigarette, pipe or cheroot are all extremely harmful. Besides alcohol and tobacco, people also fall prey to some other addiction such as the addiction to drugs like cocaine, brown sugar, etc. This addiction can totally devastate your life. Drugs, tobacco, and alcohol use and invitation to death. Tobacco, drugs, and alcohol produce a state of intoxication. Addiction to any of them eventually kills you. Every person should be aware of the ill effect of this addiction and strictly stay away from them. There are people who rule, means tempt other into smoking, drinking or trying out drugs. On no account should we give in to their pressure. If a person starts getting addicted to smoking or drinking or taking drugs, the help of counselor or doctors should be sought immediately to rid the person of the habit. One should eat regularly and take up sport and other hobbies. One should be firm in avoiding any addiction. Copy down the following assignment. Thank you for watching the video.